Top 5 upgrades that are coming for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, as you know that Samsung is planning to announce 4 new devices at the Unpacked event, 2 of which are going to be the foldable devices, namely Fold 4, Z Flip 4, Galaxy Buds Pro and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Up till now, we have seen multiple reports, leaks and rumors from different sources which confirm everything about the device, including the design, its spec sheet and even the pricing of the device has been leaked. Now, as far as the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is concerned, it's coming with some major changes inside the device. One of the major change that you could see in the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be a new hinge design. Yes, after 3 generations, Samsung is finally going to be bringing a new hinge mechanism. This new hinge, according to the leak, will be a single hinge for both the panels and it will connect both of them instead of having 2 hinges on different sides. Well, this new hinge will bring some major upgrades, like we will have the weight of the device to be lower as compared to the last generation. Also, this new hinge will improve not only the outer display but inner display as well. According to different leaks and rumors, the outer display will be going to be a little bit wider as compared to the Fold 3. The hinge is going to be hidden on the back side of the panel, so this is going to be pretty nice. The second major upgrade will be the inner display, in which the crease is going to be a little bit less noticeable. It's not completely gone, but thankfully this new hinge has caused the inner display to have less of a crease. The third major upgrade for this new hinge will be bringing is the price down, because it will be using less material, so the cost of the device will be a little bit lower. Now moving on towards the second major upgrade, and that is going to be for the cameras. As you know that since from Z Fold 1 up to the Z Fold 3, Samsung was using the same 12 megapixel of a main camera sensor, 12 megapixel of ultra wide and a 12 megapixel of telephoto lens. Unfortunately, this was one of the biggest complaints for many of the user, and Samsung is finally going to be listening to their user and bringing an upgrade to the camera sensor. Although we don't see any kind of a design change, but still the sensors are going to be different. We are going to see a 50 megapixel of a main sensor, 12 megapixel of ultra wide and a 10 megapixel of telephoto lens with a 3 times of optical zoom. So this is going to be a major upgrade in terms of the cameras. So definitely this new foldable will attract more users. And you're moving forward towards the major upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and it is going to be the processor. Yes, we are going to see a new processor inside the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and this new processor will be coming from the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. It's going to be 15% improvement from the last year. It will be bringing some major upgrade in terms of performance as compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, which was coming with the S22 Ultra device. So this means that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be one of the most powerful device in terms of the processing power as compared to the last year Galaxy Z Fold 3 and this year S22 Ultra. Now moving on towards the fourth major upgrade, and that is going to be the inner display camera sensor. Yes, you know that Samsung has introduced the under display camera sensor in their Galaxy Z Fold 3 device, and it was not a good camera both in quality and there was some visibility on the screen. Now according to Ice Universe, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be coming with the same under display camera sensor, but this time around we are going to see some more pixel improvement and you will see less of the camera sensor as compared to previous generation, and also the quality of the device is minorly improved. Unfortunately, we are not going to see the S Pen inside the body of the device, but still it will be supporting the S Pen, but it will be having an S Pen support both for the inner and the outer display. So guys, these are some of the major upgrades that are coming for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion about these upgrades? Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.